Hi, welcome to DGK Star Vision. Today we shall discuss about the chapter 17 upward and downward form of stroke R. In the previous class, I explained you the four forms of writing the stroke H. In this class, I'll explain you there are two forms of writing R stroke, that is upward and downward. This is upward R and this is downward R. So when preceded by a vowel, we have to use downward R. Example, erase. R with circle S. Erase. Before R there is a vowel, E vowel and A vowel. Air. R, A vowel. Then Irish. I diphthong, R and ish. Irish. Here R is preceded by a vowel, erase. That's why I wrote downward R, air. Again R is preceded by a vowel, Irish. I diphthong, R and ish stroke. In all other cases we have to use upward R. Rainy. R, N. After R, A vowel. After N, E vowel. Then narrow. N, R. N, R, narrow. Then borrow. B, R, borrow. Okay, in all other cases we have to use upward R. That means when the word is followed by R, at that time we have to use the upward R. Rainy, then narrow, then borrow. B, R, O vowel, N, R, upward R, O vowel. Rainy, R, N, after N there is E vowel. Then story, stealoop, then R, story. Carry, K, R, carry. Then medial R is generally written upward, and when hooked, at that time also we have to use upward. When the R is come in the middle of the word, at that time we have to use upward R. And when R is hooked, either hooked by N or F or shun, at that time we have to use upward R only. Example, park. P, R, K, park. Mark. M, R, K, mark. Portion. P, R, Shanuk. Portion. On the line I have to write, since it is a second vowel. P, R, Shanuk. Then terrify. T, R, F. T, terrify. F, I diphthong. Medial R is generally written upward, and when R is hooked by either N, F, V or shun, we have to write the upward R only. Example, park, mark, portion, terrify. Next, ER must be written with downward, that is rarer, roarer. When that ER sound will come, at that time we have to use the downward form of R. For example, rarer, R, then one more R. Here there are three forms of R, rarer, then roarer, R, downward form of R. So I'll repeat the explanation. There are two forms of R, downward form of R and upward form of R. When preceded by a vowel, use downward R. Erase, air, Irish. In all other cases, use upward R. Rainy, narrow, borrow, story, carry. Then medial R is generally written upward, and when it is hooked, at that time also use upward R. Park, mark, portion, terrify. Then RR must be written with downward R. Rarer and roarer. Next, we will see the grammar marks of this chapter. before we look at the grammar marks, we will see the phrases. Phrases means writing 2 or 3 words without lifting the hand. So here there are some phrases. I'll show you how to write. First one is dear sir, the circle is R, yours truly, then every circumstance, all circumstances, then you will remember, I believe, everything, I will tell you, I am surprised, by all means, by all, at all costs, in our opinion, something, anything, nothing. See, these phrases are available in the exercise number 69 and 70 in the chapter upward and downward, or you can practice it. Here I'll show you. Dear sir, you have to write without lifting the hand continuously. D with R hook, circle is R. This is yours truly. Your is the grammar of circle is T with R hook L. Here circle S and R hook clearly shown. Every circumstance. Every grammar of circle is T N with S. All circumstances. All circle is T N with SS circle. You will remember. You will remember. You grammar log, L grammar log, remember grammar log. I believe. I diphthong, believe grammar log. Everything. Every grammar log. Then think. Here ing is written. I will tell you. I diphthong, L, T with L hook and U grammar log. I am surprised. I diphthong, M circle is P, ST loop. SD loop. By all means, B with L hook, M, N circle is clearly shown. By all. B with L hook, above the line. At all, above the line. T with L hook. At all costs, T with L hook, K, ST loop and one more circle, costs. In our, N with R hook, this become ner, above the line. In our opinion, ner, again N with N hook. In our opinion, something, circle is M, thing, ing. Anything, N and ing. N with a light stroke and ing is a dark stroke. Here nothing, N light stroke and ing is dark stroke. This is on the line, this is above the line. These are the phrases. I'll conclude today's class with these phrases. Please practice the phrases, grammar logs regularly. If you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp me to my mobile number 7892475771. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos related to English shorthand. Happy learning. Take care. Bye bye.